When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal, many homeowners focus on landscaping, exterior paint, or new roofing. While these are all important elements, one often overlooked feature that can significantly elevate the overall look of your home is the windows. In Lafayette, where the weather can be both warm and humid, the right window installation can not only enhance the beauty of your property but also improve energy efficiency and increase the value of your home. The role of windows in curb appeal. Windows are one of the first things people notice when they look at a home, and they have the power to make or break its first impression. Whether you're selling your home or simply looking to refresh its appearance, new windows can drastically change the overall aesthetic. They can introduce a modern, sleek look or bring a classic charm to an older home. With the right selection of materials, style, and design, window installation can highlight the architectural features of your house, making it stand out in the best possible way. In Lafayette, homeowners can choose from a wide range of window styles, including double-hung, casement, and picture windows. Each of these options can offer unique benefits depending on the style of your home and the kind of curb appeal you want to achieve. For example, modern casement windows are perfect for homes with a minimalist or contemporary look, while traditional double-hung windows work wonderfully for classic or colonial-style houses. Aesthetic value. Making a statement. Windows play an essential role in framing the view of your home and surrounding landscape. They can act as architectural statements, creating visual interest and adding to the character of your property. New window installations offer a fresh and polished look that immediately increases curb appeal. Choosing windows with unique trim or frames can give your house a more sophisticated appearance, especially when paired with complementary colors that match the rest of the exterior. For instance, bold, contrasting colors for your window frames can create a dramatic look, while neutral colors like black, white, or gray add elegance and simplicity. For those who live in historic districts or homes that need to match a particular aesthetic, window installation can include customization to ensure that they remain consistent with the style of the area while still offering modern performance. Energy efficiency. The practical benefit. Apart from aesthetics, one of the most significant advantages of installing new windows is improved energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single panes, can contribute to heat loss in the winter and excess heat during the summer. This means your home requires more energy to maintain a comfortable temperature, increasing utility bills and putting extra strain on your HVAC system. By installing energy-efficient windows, you can regulate your home's temperature better, leading to a more comfortable living environment and lower energy costs. In Lafayette, with the temperature fluctuations between hot summers and cooler winters, energy-efficient windows can provide year-round comfort while also reducing your carbon footprint. Double or triple pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings can keep the inside of your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter, making them a wise investment that saves you money in the long run. The reduction in heat transfer also helps to reduce the strain on your air conditioning or heating system, making your home more energy efficient. Increase home value and appeal to buyers. If you're considering selling your home in Lafayette, new window installation can be a powerful selling point. Buyers are increasingly aware of the value of energy-efficient homes, and windows are often at the top of their list of priorities when searching for a new property. New windows can signal that the home has been well maintained and updated, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Plus, the increased curb appeal makes a lasting first impression that can set your home apart from others on the market. When prospective buyers pull up to your house, they'll immediately notice the attractive new windows, which could help make your home more desirable and justify a higher asking price. Conclusion: the right window installation in Lafayette can do wonders for your home's curb appeal. Whether you're looking to modernize the look of your home, make it more energy efficient, or increase its value before putting it on the market, new windows are an excellent investment. They enhance the beauty of your home, improve your comfort, and provide long-term benefits that make your house stand out in the best possible way. Consider updating your windows and watch as they transform both the exterior and the overall feel of your home.